Hey everyone, I'm back. It's winter in the Pacific Northwest, so it's really hit and miss with the weather. I had snow a couple days ago, and it's supposed to snow again tomorrow. So I'm gonna sneak down today, and hopefully the rain won't come anytime soon. But I'm still having fun with my new Husqvarna. So I'm like, let's try and get to the creek that I haven't been to in years, because it dries up during summer. But let's check out what we got over here. Got that log. Got logs that the wind has taken down. Got some of these baby trees that I might take down. But I just like to go to new territory so I don't get bored with the same spot. But yeah, I think this will be a good spot. And being that it had just rained, and I learned last time that I don't want to cut stuff like stumps that are soaking wet, 'cause it's just going to clog my chainsaw and cause more issues. So I'm going to set this down, get my chainsaw, and hopefully cut some stuff up over here by the creek that's more like a swamp. Let's do it. I was worried about that. I go get the other chainsaw to release it, but it cut it pretty good. Oh, and my husband ordered me some chaps. So they should be here tomorrow, but depending on the weather, I don't know when we'll be down next, but I do have chaps on the way. I'm gonna kill the camera for a second while I go get the other chainsaw. Wait. Yeah, it's in there. Yep, it's stuck. Back up there to get a chainsaw. And I had this little hatchet laying down here. Well, not laying out, I had it down here with me. And I wedged it between that, and I was able to pull my chainsaw out with no issues. Thank goodness, and it saved me a trek. So now I'm gonna try and cut right there. I had my hatchet, I was gonna peel the layer of bark off the top to make it clean, but there was some rotten stuff, so I shaved that off with the hatchet to prevent gunk getting stuck in my chainsaw. So let's see if I can get this chunk out now. That worked out pretty good that time. I don't think it's too heavy for me to lift though. Let's see. Hold on. Should be good for now. Just try and cut some more off the top log before I go to the bottom log. But it's just a cluster. That's why it's like a swamp instead of a creek down here. Hold on. Don't want that mushy stuff in the chainsaw. Wait, I gotta finish this guy first. Alrighty, let's see. Hold on. A fudge. Oh, oh, that's nice wood inside. Where am I caught up? Oh, there's a piece of chunk right there. Hold on. Come on, buddy. We're doing good. bucket. I got some more junk in it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need that thing for that, the chainsaw. Oh, it's a tree growing outside right here, like this. That tree is growing right here. WTF. Oh yeah, that's solid wood. There, got that chunk done. I walked over there a little bit, still trying to find the creek, because once I find the creek, that's where my property stops. But I saw a patch. I got my battery full. Okay, so we should be okay. Yeah, like I don't know if it's hibernation time, like it's winter, but not like Alaska winter. But yeah, I wanted to cook some of this over here because I'm trying to find the creek, and once the creek should be visible now, but I don't know if this is just swamp or what. There's a log. It looks like something might have been laying down there. Something might have been laying here, or a game trail. Something was definitely laying there. I'm not seeing like any scat, which is good. But again, I gotta be, yeah, I'm standing, so I might be in the creek now, but not too sure. I just really have to be aware. I'm not worried about coyotes or coons this time of day. But I just hope I don't see nothing big. Hopefully I'll hear it before, if something's coming, I'll hear it before I see it. Because I know they see me before I see them. But I'll just get back to work and keep my eyes and ears open so I don't have like music playing or my AirPods in, because I don't need something sneaking up on me. My camera kept shutting off down there, so I swapped out the battery, gave it a break for a minute, then I'm like, I'll just come up here and try out my new wood measuring tool. And yeah, worked pretty good again. Dollar Tree plunger, $1.25, and my $5 Ace Hardware magnet. Stick it right there for now. Got that log done. Because yeah, oh, I didn't cut that all the way through. I mean, I would cut the wood anywhere from 6 inches to 20 inches. It was never even. But yeah, I gotta move that, and I'm glad that my tool does work. It's more efficient than having a measuring tape marking it. So I don't know if I want to cut this up today or not. I'm just frustrated about my camera kept shutting off, and it's a trek to go back down there to, yeah, because I was way down there past where the sun is. Yeah, so it's quite a trek back up here. And I think I only have like an hour left of daylight, so it's trying to beat that and still be productive. So I might keep cutting Or I might try and go back down there since I have a new battery now. We shall see on the next video what I decide. I went inside to use the bathroom and my dad brought out his, we didn't bring it out, but he found it because he's feeling neglected that I'm not using his chainsaw now because I got a new one. And he pulls out a 22-inch steel and I'm like, I like it, but I pick it up and I could do it to like cut this, but there's no way I could drop a tree with it or use it all day because I just don't have the strength to carry it. But I'm a little excited about it, but it scares me, especially until I get chaps. So I think I might just keep cutting this stack of wood up. It's gonna have to get cut sooner or later, so why not do it sooner? I think I might have to move the camera though. But I didn't take it in time. I don't know if it's overheating or why it just shut off. We got fuel, we got oil, and there's not crap stuck in it today. No, that's not safe. That's not safe. Oh yeah, it's hot. But just from that, yikes. I'll come back. Today's a frustrating day. My Husqvarna was frustrating me, and I don't have much daylight left, so I just went in and grabbed the Eagle real quick. I gotta sharpen this sucker today. It's not a great one. I don't know if I'm gonna call it a day yet or not. I was thinking, alright, I got a good battery, but maybe I could sharpen it up real quick. Who knows? But I want to get more stuff done today while I'm here, because if it snows and then freezes, it could be another week, maybe 2 weeks till I come back down. So I wanted to be a little bit productive today. We shall see. Sorry, today's kind of hurdle after hurdle. Maybe we could finish on a good note though. We'll see. So I could still salvage today, and let's see if I can cut this. It might be too big of a log, but we shall see. Oh yeah, it's a big sucker. Can I move this guy? There we go. Oh, Shiza. I had no idea that you guys fell over. I'm cutting away and I don't know how much you missed, so let me try it again over here. Alright, let's see if, can you see it down here? Maybe. Sorry about that, I had no idea you fell over. looks like we're gonna come out yet. Where's the stick? Oh, it's still pinched at the bottom. Not quite. Let's try this side if I can. Gosh. Help me help you, weeds. Oh, finally, now hopefully it won't pinch it. Don't know if we'll get that side cut too, and once I do, this is going to be a heavy guy. All kinds of shit stuffed in there. Hopefully that helps. Oh yeah, this log is way too big and this needs to be sharpened. But at least got that end cut. Got the top one done. I gotta explore over there a little more. Maybe the snow will be nice and it can weight everything down and make stuff easier to see and to maneuver. So now it's just a waiting game. Now I gotta make the trek all the way back up there. But again, I should be used to it by now, huh? Hold on. Yeah, so now I gotta trek back up there. And I don't really know how to show you like how steep and crazy it is. I'm not complaining, I'm just explaining. But yeah, I gotta study up a little more on my Husqvarna. I don't know if it's the temperatures that's screwing things up, or if it's just me not knowing enough yet. I've read through the pamphlet, not a whole lot, but I do need to read up more so I can be more productive. But thanks again, guys, for watching another one of my explorative days. And next time, whenever that is, depending on the weather, I'll have my new high-vis chainsaw chaps. Because safety first, right? But yeah, see, all the way up there. So thanks again, guys, and please give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe. Need to get the subscribers so I can buy some more cool tools to help me out with all this fun stuff that still has to be done. And again, I love doing this, but I also love playing and learning new tools. So thanks again, and hopefully everybody's staying warm. I appreciate you.